That's not pretty, and we don't want to do that. So let's do it the right way. We are going to find filter view controller and then ask for the height, just like we did here. Yeah. Where's frame? We just want M menu frame. Okay. Way we get that is, alright, there's a way to do it. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to type menu and it's going to pop up. Watch this. Ah, shit. Maybe it's not. I thought I made this a property. Maybe I didn't. Okay, let me go here and look. Property. No, it's not a property, unfortunately. Could make it a property. I'm tempted to. In that case, can I get the controller here? Yeah, see, this is how you can get the controller. Yeah, okay, let's just one step at a time. So, yeah, this is the input belt, that's the effect belt. Put that down. Boom, boom. This will shadow a variable later. Maybe that's okay. Or we can just take this out. That's fine. So instead of on rec, we're looking for... First, let's look if there's any other way to get the menu. Nope. Nope. It seems fair. Okay. Will the thing be created at this point? Is what I want to know. I believe it will, because this is only called after the views did load. Yeah, I think that's true. We'll find out soon enough anyway. It's not like we're going to blow stuff up. Okay. Yeah, we're making this a read only because why make it complicated when the menu should not change? Okay, so oh god, I hate yeah, this is a little bit ugly. I'm just gonna call it menu. Okay. Synthesize is what we want. And then we want, what's that called? Menu equals M menu. I think that's the correct syntax. Let's see. Building. Looks like it built. Let's look at that error. Warning. UI slider might not respond to draw rect. Well, what? That's weird. Maybe it's the wrong. It's probably the wrong parameters. No. Yeah, but anyway, that part was okay. So let's continue. Was looking for app delegate. Yep. Dot menu, and we want to ask it for, just like we did here, it's frame. Dot frame. So how are we calculating it? We're doing it like this. Ooh, you know what? Yeah. So the height is what we have. We want this kind of thing. And we don't really need a margin. I don't think we do. We can have it flush up and that'll actually look a lot better. Okay, so frame.size.height is what we want. And we assume that the menu starts from 0. And somehow we convert this into game coordinates. So let's do that. What does that right now? Well, I know that when I touch something, that gets translated to game coordinates really quickly. I believe that's done in... was EAGL view? Is that where I do it? Touch. Yes. Yes. Okay, screen to map chords. That's in EAGL view. That's kind of a bummer because I don't know if I can get that from here. Let's see. EAGL context. Is there EAGL view? It's just self.view. That'd be funny. You know, I'm pretty sure it's self.view. It's a little scary though, not knowing. That's all set up by the zip file or the nib file. As you can see, there's no alloc in it. Yeah, and here you can see in the filter view controller we do stuff like this. Cast it to the view. That's really ugly, but what are you going to do? I shouldn't say that. Yeah, so this is what we do. We have a filter vec3, and this will be top point, effect build top, yeah. And we don't care about hold on just a second. Did I define that? Yeah, I did define it. It's a CG point. Yeah. So we have a CG point called point CG built top. Yeah. We'll do CG built top dot x equals who cares, and the y is the one we want. We assume the x is 0. So this is a very long thingamabob, but it should be good. Ooh, my back hurts. Oh, wait a minute. Did I just... what the hell happened? Alright. Oh, I have to paste it. Yeah. Oh. What am I doing? I want to call screen to map chords on this EAGL view. It's going to take in, not even a reference, just pass by value, the struct, and it's going to output to this vector our game coordinates. So that was a little long-winded just to translate coordinates, but you know, do it once, next time will be really easy. And if need be, we'll make this function even easier to use. But you know, we're combining a GUI object pixel coordinate with our game coordinates, which doesn't usually happen. It's only for this kind of thing, the initial layout. Alright, now we have a coordinate and we can set the height based on that. We don't need to do this map height times 3 divided by 4 crap. We just do this. What is it? Oh, you know what? We have to take into account that this position is in the middle, the middlemost point. So yeah, I can't do that any longer. We have to do cg belt top dot y plus start size dot y, right? Oops. I think that's what we have to do. And because this is now dependent, we put it below. What do you think about that? This should move the belt up. Let's just run it. And right now it's going to overlap with the sliders if we've done it correctly. But you know, that's not going to hurt us. Filter menus not defined where? Game state. Sure. I believe you. Pound import filter menu dot h. Do we also need EAGL view? I wouldn't be surprised, but let's try it. Yeah, we need EAGL view. Pound import EAGL view dot h. What's that? Property view not found on type game state dot view. Yes, that is wrong. We want this. Yeah? It's the view controller that has it, and we have to go through the app delegate. So yeah, now we've got something that should build. We're not worrying about that warning because we're going to go and edit it soon. Let's just run it. So for this stuff I could probably run simulator since I have to have input. But is it crashing? Looks like it's crashing. Well, yeah, maybe one of our assumptions are wrong. Maybe that thing is null to begin with. Let's see what crashes. Crashes in an odd place. This is not what I would expect it to. But this looks like a nasty recursive thing. So let's see. Are you kidding? Okay. This is because the game state initialized itself with the help of the view function that uses this. So our options are to not initialize and do all that bullshit up front, that level creation stuff, which should not be an init to begin with. Yeah, I'm gonna say we should not do this in init. That's a design thing, it'll clear us out. In it we should do some much simpler stuff. This stuff is good. This stuff is good. Everything below here is not good. This is not init code. This is stuff that's runtime. It should be. So let me just try this, see what happens. I think this will save us pain. I'm stopping it right here. Boom, boom, boom. Oops. What the hell was that? Oh. It's scary. Yeah. Alright. Whoa. And this stuff now can be called create level. Populate level. Yeah, I need to add that to the whatchamacallit.